uncovering two powerful techniques, skimming and scanning. Whether you are preparing for the Ielts exam or just looking to boost your reading skills, mastering these techniques is key to success. So let's break it down into simple terms. First of all, let's talk about skimming. Imagine you're at a beach and you want to know what's happening around you. Do you read every single grain of sand or do you quickly glance over the whole beach? Skimming is like looking at the entire beach to get a general idea. When you skim a passage, you are not reading every word. Instead, you are looking for the main ideas like reading titles, headings, and the first and the last paragraphs. Example, if you see a passage titled Saving the Rainforest, you'd skim through to catch the words like deforestation, conservation efforts, and ecosystem protection to understand the main theme without diving into every detail. Then let's move to scanning. What is scanning? And then we'll discuss how to implement these techniques. Okay, let's talk about scanning first. Now let's say you are at the beach again, but this time you're searching for a specific seashell. Do you carefully inspect each grain of sand or do you quickly scan over the beach until you spot the seashell? Scanning is like searching for that specific seashell. Instead of reading everything, you are looking for keywords or phrases that match what you are searching for. Let's take an example. If a question asks about the population of a city mentioned in the passage, you'd scan for words like population, city name, or specific numbers related to population figures.